Hello, my name is Juan Lugo, and welcome to Memorial High School Technology Committee Screencast, how to import new questions into an existing Google form. First thing we want to do is to title our Google form, SAT Lesson 5 and 6 Vocabulary Quiz, and then to title the form. As you can see, we have section 1 of 2. Our first section is our identifier questions, which help us identify which student is taking it and what period. Our second section are the questions that are already existing in this Google form. Now, what we want to do is to import questions from another Google form. Here we have a form that has 23 points. Now we come down here to import questions. We select import questions. We identify which Google form we want to choose, lesson 6. And now here we have all the questions in this lesson 6 word quiz. We've already chosen our identifier, so we skip that. We choose section, lesson 6 matching exercise A. We choose our section B. And finally, we use our SAT critical reading strategy questions. As you can see down below, we're importing 34 questions to our existing Google form. As we scroll up, we see that we have 75 points now added. We have section 1 and 2, like we did before. Now we have 5 sections. We have our section 3. Our section 4, matching exercise B. And last, we have our section 5, SAT critical reading strategy questions. As we scroll up, let's take a closer look at how it would view for the student. We preview. You see that we have our identifiers. Juan Lugo. I select my period, put in my previous password, Tigers 1995, and we click next so we can see our questions. On our first page here, we have exercise A, exercise B. On our next page, we have our lesson 6, exercise A. On the next page, we have matching exercise B for lesson 6. And lastly, we have our SAT critical reading strategies questions. Thank you. My name is Juan Lugo. On behalf of the MHS Technology Committee Screencast on how to import new questions into an existing Google form. Please check us out on the Technology Committee's Google Classroom or on the district YouTube page for all our YouTube videos. Thank you and have a great day.